In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files on Podia, whether you're cleaning up outdated assets or making room for fresh content. Removing files you no longer need keeps your workspace tidy and makes it easier to find what matters. We'll walk through the process clearly, and I'll share a few tips so you can delete with confidence. Start on your Podia dashboard. Look toward the top left corner where you'll see your account name. Click it to open the account menu, then choose Media. This takes you straight into the media library, which is the central place where all your uploaded images, videos, PDFs, and other files live. Think of it as your organized shelf of assets that power your products, pages, and marketing. Once you're in the media library, identify the file you want to remove. If you have a lot of uploads, use the built-in filters or sorting options to narrow things down. For example, sorting by date can help you find recent uploads quickly, while filtering by file type can isolate images or documents. Scan the list and pay attention to file names and thumbnails so you pick the right one. This is a great moment to double-check that the file you're about to delete isn't still needed in a product, sales page, or email. Deleting a file removes it from your library, so if it's referenced elsewhere, you may need to replace it in those spots later. When you found the exact file, look for the delete icon next to its name. It typically appears as a small trash can. Click that icon. Podia will prompt you to confirm, which is a safeguard against accidental removal. Read the confirmation carefully and make sure you recognize the file you're deleting. If everything looks correct, confirm the deletion. The file will be removed from your media library. A quick best practice here. Before you confirm, take one last glance at the file name and any identifying details. It's much easier to confirm once than to retrace your steps if you remove the wrong asset. If you're working through a cleanup, move methodically. Filter, review, and delete one file at a time to avoid mistakes. And that's it. You opened the media library from your account menu, located the file using filters or sorting, clicked the trash icon, and confirmed the deletion. With a few careful clicks, your library stays organized and up to date, making all your future work in Podia smoother and faster. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.